Daniel! Daniel!
Why are you running like someone stole your chicken?
Got the scholarship.
The one outside Uganda?
Yes, 4 years away.
What if you forget me?
I could never forget you.
People change when they leave. Love makes people weak. Should we leave, sir? No, let them enjoy their last night together.
This scholarship can change your life. But what about Daniel? Love will not feed your future. He loves me. Sometimes love is not enough.
Once the girl leaves, the land becomes mine. And her mother agreed? She already signed everything. Who's there?
Tell me the truth about Amina's land.
Yeah.
The land belonged to her father. Then why is Uncle Moses taking it?
The video you have just watched is not real and it was created with the free AI tools using just a smartphone. No expensive camera, no editing team and no actors, just AI. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every steps I used to create this kind of video. From creating image, animating skins, and the best part is that you're going to do everything completely free. So if you want to create viral AI videos, short films, animation, or even grow a YouTube channel using only your phone, then stay till the end of this video because this might change completely how you create content forever. So guys, let's get started. It is a story, and a story can either be a love story, a village story, or any other fictional story of your choice, So guys, I went ahead and created the story, and I'm going to walk you through every step I used to create this story you're seeing on the screen. This is what I started from, with asking ChatGPT a simple question like, I want to create a movie, give me 10 amazing title ideas to choose from. And ChatGPT went ahead and generated for me 10 title ideas which we are going to use to generate our story. And this is the story, the first title, When the Rain Forgot Us. The number 2 is The Last Light in Kalema Village, and up to the 10th one, which is Until the Village Sees You Again. Now, after ChatGPT has given you 10 title ideas, the next thing you're going to do is to choose a story you want to create a movie about. So I went ahead and chose number 4, which is 4 years away. So I'm going to ask it another question like, using title number 4, generate a full story with dialogue skins. It must be interesting, emotional, and filled with suspense to keep viewers watching. And also use simple English which can be understood by a 10 years old. Also include the outfit of his character. And ChatGPT went ahead and generated for us this story down here. The title is 4 Years Away, and the genre is romance, drama, emotional mystery. So the setting is a small village surrounded by hills, dusty roads, banana plantations, and old wooden houses. So these are our main characters, which is Daniel, 18-year-old, hardworking boy who repairs bicycles and dreams of becoming a teacher. This is the outfit, and Amina also is here, 17 years old, a smart, kind village girl who receives a scholarship to study abroad for 4 years, and this is his outfit. So Mama Grace also is here, 45-year-old, Amina, strict but loving mother. Outfit is also there, as you can see, and Uncle Moses. The outfits is also included. So this is the opening skin of our story, starting with skin 1, which is the evening in the village. So this is it, Daniel, and everything we needed. So guys, I also went ahead and asked again another question, which I'm going to show you here. This is the last question I asked. Also give me image prompts skin by skin with consistent characters throughout the movie. Also give me details of every character in the story. The story is set in an African modern town. So after that, ChatGPT went ahead and gave us the character descriptions and our image prompts which we are going to use to make. The next thing we're going to do is now to create our images using these image prompts. So before we go and create our image prompts, we're going to start by creating character images. Then after creating our character images, we shall go ahead and create our skin images. So I'm going to start with Daniel, which is our first character. Copy to our clipboard. After copying your first character prompt to the clipboard, the next thing I'm going to do is create our images using Google Flow. Go to Google and search for Google Flow. This is how the Google Flow website looks like in the interface after you have opened. So after opening, the next thing I'm going to do is to sign. You sign into Google Flow, and after signing, you'll see some kind of interface like this. So new project to continue. The next thing you're going to do is to click on Nano Banana, which is here. And after clicking on Nano Banana, we're going to do some settings, which is image settings. So as you can see from here, it is already turned to image. So we are creating an image and not a video. If you want to create video, you don't need to click into video here. So but for this case, we're going to use image, which is here. It must be set to image, and we're going to use 16:9 aspect ratio, and the number of our generation will be 2 images per generation. Now it is time to create our images. The first thing we're going to do is to paste our prompt into the clipboard, from the clipboard into the prompts box here. So I'm going to click on the prompt from the clipboard and I paste it here. After pasting, click on generate. After clicking on generate here, your image will start generating. After our image has been generated, the next thing I'm going to do is just download it to our gallery. So click on the top right side of the website here, click on 2K, and now image will be downloaded automatically into our clipboard. So the next thing we're going to do is to go back to ChatGPT to create our second character image. Put the second character prompts into our clipboard. After copying, head over to Google Flow again. Paste your prompt into the prompts box and click on generate. Click on generate. Now our second character image is being generated. The next thing I'm going to do is to repeat the same process again and again until you complete generating all the character images. And after completing generating the character images, you're going to create skin images. Before you proceed to creating skin images, you need to first download all the character images into your gallery. So let's go ahead and download it to your gallery. Click on the download button and click on 2K and your image will start downloading to your gallery automatically. Let's go ahead now and create our skin 1 images. So when in ChatGPT, you're going to select skin 1 image prompt. So we are going to copy the skin 1 image prompt into our clipboard, and they're talking about Daniel. So what we're going to do is to click on it, copy it to our clipboard, and after copying, we head over again to Google Flow. When you're in Google Flow, we need to maintain our character consistent, and to make our characters consistent, we are going to maintain also the character images we have created. So to do that, we are going to upload our image. So click on the plus sign to upload our image, and after uploading your image, paste the prompt and make sure the prompt you're pasting is matching with the character image you're going to upload. So when it is talking about Daniel, you need to upload the image of Daniel. If it is talking about Amina, you need to upload the character image of Amina so that to maintain the consistency. Also, because we created all our character images using Google Flow, we don't need again to upload it. We are just going to select it from the list here, and we just click on it, click on add to prompt, and after you have clicked on add to prompt, it will just show automatically in the prompts box. And next thing you're going to do is to just paste the prompt into the prompts box and click on generate. After that, our skin 1 image will start generating, and after it has generated, click on it to come to the main box, and after coming to the main box, you click on the download button on top, and after clicking on download button, click on 2K, and our image will start generating, and our image will start downloading automatically into our gallery. So the next thing we're going to do is to repeat the same process. Let's go back to ChatGPT, copy skin 2 image prompt into our clipboard. So as you can see this prompt, we are talking about Amina and Daniel. So what we're going to do is to go to Google Flow. As you can see, we're going to paste our upload our image because we're talking about Amina and Daniel. So we're going to upload the image of Amina and Daniel into our clipboard. So you can just go ahead and choose your image from here. One is Daniel and Amina. Now after you're done uploading your images, the next thing you want to do is to paste the prompt. We are uploading these images because we want to maintain the characters of our images. So click on generate next, and our image will automatically start generating. Our skin 2 image is now generating, and after a while, these are the images Google Flow gave us. Let's click on it and preview to see our images. What we're going to do next is download it to our gallery. We're going to click on the download option here on top of the website. Click on 2K, and our image will automatically start generating. Go ahead and repeat the same process again and again until you complete generating our skin images. The next thing we're going to do is to turn these images into video, and we're going to use Google Flow also for that. The next thing you're going to do is to click on the nano banana tool here. After clicking on it, we need to turn it to video. Click on, let it turn from image to video. Click on video here. And after clicking on video, show you ingredients here or frames. So the next thing I'm going to do is to turn it to frames because we're using images to create our video. And also the ratio should be at 16 to 9. Click on 16 to 9 because you're creating a YouTube video and not a TikTok or Reels. So after that, we are going to turn this to 1x because we want our videos to be created one time, one only, not two. So we are going to turn it to 1x so that we don't waste our credits. The model we are going to leave at Veo 3.1 light. After we're done with our settings, the next thing we are going to do is to click on prompt here. But because we have not yet got our prompts from ChatGPT, we need to first go back to ChatGPT to get our prompts, video prompts. So we are going to ChatGPT to get video skin one video prompts from there. Copy it to our clipboard and come back again to Google Flow. And after coming back to Google Flow, we are going to upload our image. And after uploading our image, paste our prompt, and after pasting the prompt and click on generate, and our video will start generating automatically. This is the same process we're going to use to generate all our videos. Now let's go ahead and preview the clip you have just created.
Daniel! Daniel!
Why are you running like someone stole your chicken?
Looks amazing, right? Now the next thing you're going to do is just repeat the same process and create all the videos together. And after creating, you are ready for the next step, which is combining all the clips together using your favorite video editor like CapCut or InShot. To do that, you need to combine, starting with the first skin, second skin, third skin, until the last skin. Combine all of them together and you have already made a full AI movie which is ready to be uploaded or shared to your social media and all of your choice. It may be TikTok, YouTube, or any other platform you create videos to in. And finally, if you have watched this video up to this part, I really appreciate and I don't take it for granted. If you are the new subscriber, kindly thank you so much for subscribing. And if you have not yet subscribed, kindly go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn off your notification bell so that you don't miss any notification in case I upload any video. And for the old subscribers, thank you for always coming to watch my videos, and thank you for always giving me support. Bye and see you in my next video.